In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable picture-in-picture on your iPhone. You can simply run other apps, watch videos or movies while doing other things on your iPhone. As you can see just right here on my screen. The video is playing, but I can go through my emails. You can also decide to hide what you are watched to finish up what you are doing. Then get it back at any time. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On this page, you will have to select the option of General. On the General page, tap right here on Picture-in-Picture. Enable this option on. By enabling this option on, when you swipe up to get on your home page while using other apps, you will automatically continue in Picture-in-Picture. That's how easy it is to turn on Picture-in-Picture on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.